Let's take a look at how to meet someone new and introduce yourself in a workplace.
Hello, my name is Anna. What is your name?
Hi Anna, my name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
In English, when you meet someone, you say, "Nice to meet you." You can also say, "Pleased to meet you." Both mean the same thing. They are polite ways to greet someone new. You can use these phrases in different situations. For example, you can say, "Nice to meet you, John," or "Pleased to meet you, Sarah."
Tom, how do you spell your name?
It's T-O-M.
Thank you, Tom. My name is spelled A-N-N-A.
When you meet someone new, you can ask them to spell their name. This is helpful in the workplace to make sure you understand each other. Practice spelling your name and asking others how to spell theirs.
Anna, how many people are in your team?
In my team we have 6 people. And in your team, Tom?
In my team, there are 4 people.
So together, there are 10 people.
In the workplace, you often talk about numbers. Here, Anna and Tom talk about how many people are in their teams. Practice using numbers 1 to 10 to talk about people, tasks, or things in the workplace.
It was nice talking with you, Anna.
Nice talking with you too, Tom.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Remember, practice your English every day. Use greetings, ask for names, spell them out, and practice numbers. The more you practice, the better you will become.